Hello friends, how are you all? Welcome back to my channel. How have you all been? I hope you all have been good and taking good care of yourselves. And how many people have got vaccines? How safe is it to get vaccine in India and other parts? Where are you guys watching me from? Let me know if you guys have taken vaccination, because of here I'm trying to register my name and it's saying that I have to drive like 50 or 60 kilometers to Colorado Springs and all, and I don't want to go so far, so I'm just waiting when if I get something in Parker, and it'll be easier for us to drive there. I don't want to drive from such a far place and then come, because I have to drive myself, so I just don't want to take a big risk of going like 50, 60 kilometers far and then come back, and I don't know how my arm will feel if I have to take it in my left hand. So let me know what are your thoughts about it. Are you guys ready to take also or no, or you're still waiting and saying okay, let it be on God and I just leave it on God? So that's also a good thing, but if we have to travel to India, then it'll be a big thing, like they might ask, are you vaccinated, or you'll have to do some COVID test and all and go. So I don't know. So just let me know what are your thoughts. And okay, friends, so let's see what I can do in my kitchen today. Welcome. So fresh snow again. It snowed so much overnight and early in the morning. It just now stopped, and here are all the cars loaded up with snow. It's so bad, and it is again so slippery. Going out and cleaning the car is a big task now. So here the snow melted, and it's the day of the thrash pickup. So the thrash pickup is going to happen now, and it is so early in the morning that I said, okay, let me capture this also and show you all. This is how the thrash is picked up over here, and everybody comes and thrashes in this bin over here, and these people come and just come and pick up all the trash which is accumulated over here, and sometimes it is so filled up so much that the lids don't close. But today at least the lid is closed, and this guy will be picking up and just taking it. And this is the procedure they do over here, and everything is good. They charge us very minimum for this. It's $5 or $10 for trash pickup, so every month we have to pay like 10 or $12. So here everything gets collected in this box, and this man just takes it, and this it is all lifted up by the machinery, and it is very good. So it doesn't smell actually, so everything is good over here. So today at least, but there is snow, still snow on the. I have baby spinach, and it says washed and ready to eat, so it's from King Soopers. It's the Simple Truth organic one we got, and now I'll blanch this and make a puree out of it, and we'll do dishes out of this puree. And over here I have green beans. I'll just chop them and keep them for lentils and making vegetable. So let's get started. So these are already washed, so I'm just putting it in the instant pot, and I'll just blanch these with little water. So here I have a big instant pot. Actually I have 3 instant pots. This is the bigger one, so everything will fit in here. So I use this big one only when I have to do big things, like I have a lot to do. So this is the biggest instant pot which I have, and I didn't buy this I had got it from my friends as a gift. So I took a wrong decision of putting in the small instant pot. The big one was good. So this is the small instant pot bowl, and this is the big instant pot bowl, if you want to see the difference. So it's such a big difference. So I think this is 6 quarts one, and this is 3 quarts one. So here I'm just pouring 1 cup of water so that it gets blanched well. So I'm just closing it off. I'll just on it, and we'll pressure cook for very little time. Say like, we'll do it manually for 5 minutes, and Over here we have kept it on ceiling. So now it says on, and I have added no salt, nothing. So we'll just blanch it for 5 minutes and it'll be done. And after this, oh, we didn't put this, but it's okay. So we'll just keep it on for 5 minutes and we'll see after 5 minutes. Let me thrash this. So here I've taken lentils, and these are normal lentils from the Indian stores. It's known as tur dal. So I'm just washing it 2 or 3 times. Washed it 2 or 3 times. Now I'm just taking good water and cooking water from here, and I'll show you how much water we need. Actually, for lentils we only need that much water where the dal can soak in, the lentils can soak in. So I've just taken lentils over here and I have soaked it for 5 minutes. So now we'll just close the lid, and we can add some salt and turmeric. I'm just putting a pinch of turmeric. Adding 1 teaspoon of salt. So I've added salt and turmeric. Now I'm just closing it off. So this is the second instant pot, and this is the 3 quarts one. And now this has lots of settings. It has pressure cook. So now I'll just keep it for 7 or 8 minutes and it will get cooked. So here we are opening and checking out. Wow, it got blanched so well. So here it's blanched well. I'll just keep it and we'll cut it and add it in the lentils. Over here the lentils also got cooked. Now I'll chop some of the spinach and we'll add it over here and make spinach lentils. So here I'm adding all this blanched water also because it's very healthy. You should never waste the spinach water and all. You can put it in lentils or knead your tortilla flour. So here I've just chopped some spinach. I'll just add it in the lentils. So I'm adding this into the lentils now after chopping, and I'll keep it for heating again for 2 minutes so that the lentils and this one gets blended well. So I'm pressure cooking again for 2 minutes. I'm adding some mustard seeds. The oil was really hot. Now I'll add some onions. So here I've made some rice. I've taken some spinach. And here we'll enjoy. Yum, yum, yum. Have the first bite of yummy spinach and rice. So this was it for today, and today is Wednesday, and on Monday we had got a very sad news that in Colorado, Boulder, if you guys are from Boulder, I hope you all are staying safe, and so many students were studying on that day, and how many children must have really gone to King Soopers of Boulder, and there was an active shooter over there and 10 people died, it looks, and it was so sad. And when I came back home, I got so many messages from Instagram and my parents and all, is everything okay? Because everybody knows that I go to King Soopers and shop a lot. So, but I'm in the Parker King Soopers, so here it was good. But Boulder one, somebody really had an active shooter over there, and he just took out his gun and shot some 1 or 2 people, and police came, and police officer also, somebody died, and his name was Eric. So it was really very sad day on that day, and it was very sad. And I was also out, like so much I was out. I had some work. I think I went to my do some errands and all, so but I didn't go into King Soopers and all. And one more best thing I have taken up is I've taken up Walmart groceries. So you get Walmart groceries every day. I can order little, and it's a very good app, and they charge you $98 per year every year. So I had used them last year also when this pandemic started. So they charged me $98 then also. And again I have recharged, and I said, okay, anyway, I don't like to go out much for shopping and all. It becomes hectic because I have to come and take care of the kiddos also. So I feel doing Instacart and groceries, getting them delivered is very good. I use Amazon also. So everything is in my house from Amazon or Walmart, or if I go, I just go for some limited things. If the cart, who the driver or someone doesn't find what I'm looking for, then I go at extreme conditions. Others, I have really been at home so much. I have just feel that okay, going out and doing errands is no fun now these days, and of here so much of snow, driving and all. Then I said it's better, and it gave me a good relaxation. That's why YouTube and all started, and I had a good time. So you guys are supporting me so well. I appreciate all this. And okay, friends, I think you must have had a nice day, and keep enjoying, and keep praying for everyone. That's all I can say right now, and take care, and thank you for watching. And if you have not subscribed, subscribe, comment and share, and I'll see you all next time. Love you all. Bye.